Not accustomed with, it will be accustomed to.
Jack is accustomed to cold weather.
Not afraid from, it will be afraid of.
John is afraid of the bear.
Not arrive to, it will be arrive at.
They arrived at the village at night.
Not ashamed from, it will be ashamed of.
I am ashamed of my behavior.
Not believe to, it will be believe in.
I believe in the Creator.
Not boast for, it will be boast of or about.
We should not boast of our wealth.
Not careful for, it will be careful of, with or about.
You should be careful of or about your health. We should be more careful with our money.
Not complain for, it will be complain about.
He complained about the bad weather.
Not complain for, to indicate illness. It will be complain of.
He complained of bad cough.
Not compose from, it will be compose of.
This group is composed of 20 members.
Not confidence to, it will be confidence in.
Your parents have great confidence in you.
Not conform with, it will be conform to.
You must conform to the rules.
Not congratulate for, it will be congratulate on.
We congratulated him on his success.
Not consist from, it will be consist of.
A week consists of 7 days.
Not covered by, it will be covered with or in.
The sky is covered with deep clouds.
Not cure from, it will be cure of or cure for.
The man was cured of his illness. There is no cure for that disease.
Not depend from, it will be depend on or upon.
My family depends on my father's income.
Not deprive from, it will be deprive of.
The poor boy was deprived of education.
Not die from an illness, it will be die of an illness.
Many children have died of diarrhea.
Not different than, it will be different from.
My pen is different from yours.